Welcome to episode 14 of Flow's Fundamentals. In this episode, we will cover the fundamentals of adding the Conquest set to your full set of quests. This lecture will not cover the fundamental mechanics that are also found in Quest. If you wish to learn more about how to play Killer Bunnies, please reference the Blue Starter Set Fundamentals lectures. And if you wish to learn more about fundamental mechanics such as barriers or specialty bunnies, please reference the Red or Violet Booster Deck Fundamentals series. This lecture will cover the mechanics exclusive to Conquest. Conquest features the version 2 of each shop. To start with, you have Cabal's Market 2, which features Radish and Milk cards, which some Feed the Bunny cards will reference. You also have the Rooney's Weapons Emporium 2. Some supplies like carrots, weapons, and defense cards are shared between the first edition and the second edition shops and may be purchased at either. One of the core new mechanics of Conquest is the medals. You can purchase and sell medals at Morden's Medals Exchange. At the start, there are no medals available, but medal cards may be drawn from the deck, such as this copper card. When a medal card is drawn, just like Cabaladella, it is set aside immediately. The starting medals values will be assigned at the start of the game based on the rolls of the three six-sided dice. One for copper, one for silver, one for gold. At the end of any player's turn where that player chooses a carrot, that player has the option to reroll all of the dice, at which point they will have new values. This is notably at the end of the turn, so it is the next player who will get the first opportunity to buy and sell at these new prices. The idea of medals is to buy low and sell high to have a consistent source of dollar generation. The second core fundamental mechanic of the Conquest Booster is the Senators and the Casting Misfortunes. Senators are bunny modifiers that when drawn are placed on any bunny. Such as this example here, I draw the Senator and I place it on my own bunny. The Casting Misfortunes are a bit like regular Terrible Misfortunes, except players cast votes to determine which bunny will be killed by the misfortune. Each Senatored bunny gives the owner of that bunny one vote. The player who draws the Terrible Misfortune casting also gets half a vote, which is useful for dealing with tiebreakers. In this example, with my one Senatored bunny and my half a vote, I cast 1.5 votes on the opponent's bunny, killing that bunny. In a counter example, if the opponent had the Senator, he would have one vote, and I would have my half a vote for drawing the card. I would of course cast my half vote on the opponent's bunny, but his one vote outweighs my half a vote, so my bunny would be the one that would die. This has been episode 14 of Flow's Fundamentals, covering the fundamental mechanics of the Conquest Boosters when adding them to your Quest full set. And as always, Jeff bless.